Hey guys, ATV number 2. We already did the Sportsman. If you check out that video, we got a Sportsman 500. This is going to be a Polaris Outlaw 525. The 525 has a KTM motor in it, not the 500. Totally, the 500 is totally Polaris. This is a KTM motor that they shoved into a Polaris ATV. This is the manual and everything. We're gonna just show you how to do an oil change kit right here. I already loosened these right here. So this cover plate comes off. This is gonna be the long filter. And then this back one behind these hoses is going to be the short filter. So you have 2 filters in this machine. And I believe the 500 only has 1. So they are different machines. So the 525 right here, it says KTM. So here's your 2 filters. Right down here is your drain plug that you're going to need to remove to get the oil out. So you have those 2 there. Filter. And I'm cleaning the air filter right now in a bucket of water and everything. And then here is your oil fill cap on this machine. So this is where you're going to put your oil back in after you clean the drain plug. Once you take those covers off, I buy the 2 O-rings. So I put new O-rings on them, lube these up with a little bit of oil. New or old, I use new just so that you're not cross-contaminating with a little dust or dirt that's in there. Then you have a new crush washer for your drain plug. Once you put that drain plug in, you're going to put this back on there and then put the new one on, so it's a new crush washer there. And then you're just going to retighten everything up. Don't over crank these guys. Just go, once you hit that nice tight point, give it an extra, not even probably a full quarter turn. Just because they are a small bolt. They don't need, once that gasket's tight in there and everything, it doesn't need to be overly tight. It's not like it's a motor mount in a car or something. Same with your drain plug down there, and then obviously your oil cap is what the oil cap is. So I'm doing my air filter cleaning in a bucket of water, and then I'll just let it dry before we start it off and everything. Just a little winter maintenance. Again, as I said in the other video, I don't wash my machine ahead of time because this oil's all gonna run over here. So I'll wash it after the fact and we'll get it all cleaned up for winter. So thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. Let us know in the comments if anything was helpful, or if you needed more info or you actually want to watch me do it. But the hard part is it's hard to hold the camera and watch it. And who wants to watch an 11-minute video of how to do an oil change when I just showed you what you're taking out, what you're putting back in, and what you all need. You're gonna need these 2. Here's the thing is, KTM says it's 1.6 liters, or quarts, sorry, quarts, 1.6 quarts. And Polaris shows 2 full ones. So I'm going to start with the 1.6 and then I'll check my oil and everything, and then if we need to add it to full 2, we do. Here's your short and here's your long filter, your 2 rings. That you're going to need an 8mm, either like that, or I have my 8mm right here because it is kind of long to get into. 8mm. I believe the bottom one is a 14. And that's it. Cool. Have a good day. Good luck changing your oil. Get it done. Quit procrastinating. Leads to a bad engine.